Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka jingya kilan met ka pakhat saw lani ka 14 edition jong ka join bilateral military exercise Maitri Hapadeng ki sipai kari India bat ka Thailand ba artayo linter kelas dang nadu hinnen kasi ka sitarek unailur arajar arpusan ha joint training note umroy ka badai ka jaka balakre kerpang katkum kajuk menta da ka jingsim benta shirhem jong ki sipai Indian Army kari India bat ki Royal Thai Army jong kari Thailand. Katay ka program kilan, kalongkum ka jing penkre ban yakun yaki leno, bat kinong syun, ban pene yaka syongsok syongsan, ban penklan, bat sam yaki buj, bat ki jing kilan na baro ar telikiri, kumno ban yakun yaki nong syun ki batmu, ban pentot yaka sok kesan, ka bahapru hapo ka kelas 7 jong ka United Nation. Bat katay ka jing kilan kan ne, hadu ka khatsaw terik menta upanay, syua ba kitay isipai kinlit pai biang. Ha kitay ki khatsaw sngi, kitay ki sipay kin kilan, ha ki jaka baper ban yasa markeliang yaka rukom aj hingkay, na kabenta kumno ban yakun yakileno, bat kirius niyo, wat ha ki jaka bakham e.
Let's click together.
ನೀವು ಹಂಗ ಪಿನ್ನಾಡಿ ರೋಬ್
It is with great pride and a sense of camaraderie that I stand before you today as we embark on this significant annual joint military exercise between Indian Army and Royal Thai Army. The exercise signifies not only the strong bond between our two nations but also our unwavering commitment to ensure regional peace and security. We share a deep-rooted and time-honored relations strengthened through centuries of shared culture, values and vision, which adds to the flavor of the cordial relationship that we share. Our presence here today is a testament to the trust and cooperation that exists between our two great nations.
I, Lieutenant Colonel Sarawut Lutanda, Contingent Commander of Royal Thai Army, as the representative of the Royal Thai Army, I am deeply honored to be here today for the opening ceremony of the 14th Combined Exercise Mighty 2025. Exercise Mighty 2025 is a combined exercise of great significance and a vulnerable opportunity for both countries to exchange experience, knowledge, various military skills, and enhance capability of both nations' force. Furthermore, we also have good chance to learn culture, tradition, and strengthen friendship and camaraderie between our two countries. I hope that we will achieve success and accomplish this mission together, create good memory and friendship. May we all benefit of this exercise to the fullest, and we will fight and win together.